Hello students, I am Shovik, your instructor. Today in this video we'll talk about Python basics. Okay. Now before you go to the basic things of Python, I want to tell you that I am using one IDE that is called PyCharm. If you want to download it, just go to the Google, type download PyCharm, and here in this link click it. You can find two options, one is professional and community. Download one of it. Okay, good. Or else you can use the default IDE, that is idle, comes with the Python package. This is also good, but I'm going to use PyCharm. So let's start. In this video we'll talk about we'll actually revise the things we have learned already in our 11 syllabus. So first thing is data types. Okay, next keywords, and third input and output. Okay, so let's start with data type first. Data types. So some basic data types are here which we use very often in Python. First one is integer. Integer is actually the whole number, like here you can see 3, 300, 200, the whole numbers are called integer numbers. Next one is floating point. Float is numbers with point, decimal numbers. Okay, 2.3, 4.6, like that. And string, order sequence of characters, like character variables are called strings. In C or C++ we called it char, but here we call it strings, like hello Sammy, whatever, your name, my name. Next one is list, ordered sequence of objects. Okay, list is ordered sequence of objects. It is not necessary to be in the same kind of data type, but it should be in an order. See here 10 hello, this is an integer value, this is a string, and next one is a float. Okay, now dictionary is an unordered key and value pairs. Okay, here you can see this one is a key and the value of this key is this. Okay, now something like that is name, and the name is Frankie. Okay, okay, the name, and the name is Shobik, or age, something like that. The next one is tuple. Tuple is ordered immutable sequence of objects. Ordered immutable sequence of objects. Okay, it is just like the list, but there are some differences, as you know. In tuples, the ordered immutable sequence means once you create a tuple with its values, you cannot change the values. Okay, immutable means you cannot change the values once it is created, but here in list it is mutable. Okay, you can change these values as you wish. Okay, there is a difference between list and tuples. And next one is sets, unordered collection of unique objects like this. And booleans, boolean means either true or false. That is all about the data types of Python. The next one is keywords. So what is a keyword in Python? Keywords are basically the reserved words in Python. As you all know, we cannot use a keyword as a function name, variable name, like that. Keywords are only used to define the syntax and structure of the Python language. Remember it, keywords are only used to define the structure and syntax of the Python language. Keywords are case sensitive. That is very important. Keywords are case sensitive. If you type, let me type some keywords here. First, false, def, if, raise, none, del, and so on. Okay, now if I let's take false for instance. False and false. See, here the false is showing in blue color, but here it is in regular color. So just because our keywords in Python is case sensitive, it is the compiler actually taking this word as the reserved word, not this one. Okay, now what is the next one is input and output. Let's start with the input function. Basically we use input function to take input from the user in Python. Okay, and print function to print the output to the screen. Okay, let me comment this out. I hope you all know how to comment in Python. This is the multi-line comment, and if you want to comment in single line, you just do this hash. Clear? Okay, now you can print one line or a variable, values of a variable in various ways in Python. Okay, let me show you. Suppose x is 5, y is 6. Now I want to print these two values in a different way. The values of x is and y is and we use one function called str format. Okay, now run the program. Let me run the program. See, the value of x is 5 and y is 6. Okay, now here the curly braces are used as the placeholders of the value x and y respectively. Okay, now you can do this in another way, like print the value of x is x and y is y. Let me comment this out. Format x equals to 5 and y equals to 6. It will show you the same result. See, it is showing the same result as we got here. Clear? And now if I want to take an input from a user, just do this x equals to input function is used, enter your name. Shovik. Okay, now if I put this in a variable called x, or no, name, s name, now I want to print that out. Your name is s name. Okay, Shovik, your name is Shovik. Okay, this is how we take input and output in Python. And the data types we have already discussed, keywords, input and output. Next video, in the next video we'll discuss about type conversion. Okay, until then stay tuned and thank you.